Our dealership understands the importance of keeping your vehicle clean and protected. The health and safety of our clients and their vehicles is our #1 priority. Follow along as we treat one of our vehicles with PermaSafe antimicrobial products. Once a vehicle has been marked to be treated with PermaSafe, the car continues to our wash and then to the treatment center. The tech carefully and meticulously sprays every inch of the door, front and back of the seats, the ceiling, cup holders, armrests, and the floors. The tech makes sure to pay careful attention to high-touch areas such as the dashboard, infotainment system, steering wheel, gear shifter, and HVAC systems. After completing the interior, the tech treats the trunk. The car is left for a 20-minute cure process and redressed to be delivered back to the client. No matter if you are visiting us for a service appointment or have just bought a new vehicle, rest assured that your vehicle is protected from molds, allergens, viruses, and other microorganisms for up to 3 years.